Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, Nifty opened 100 point up, continued to move higher and trapping all the call sellers. And yesterday evening I told you, and people have squared up all their call options, and left, right and center people have sold put options. And if tomorrow gap down, this will be people in trouble. And exactly that is what happened today. And today 100 point gap down, and then market continued to fall, trapping all the put sellers. This is very treacherous market, I can say. One day Nifty going up 300 point, don't know why it is going. One day the Nifty going down 300 point, next day don't know why it is coming down. And yesterday when we closed, the Dow future was higher by 500 point. And today when we closed, Dow future was down by 500 point. Why 500 point up yesterday? Why 500 point down today? Nobody knows. So this is such a huge volatile market, and in fact for many traders including me, the losses actually increasing. So I think I have to stop trading for some more time. And today it was not really very bad in the morning, but in the afternoon UK inflation data came at 9.1%. I think last month it came around 8.9%. And that time itself they said it was a 40-year high. And today again it came 9.1%, and again they said this is a 40-year high. I think the European sentiment turned very bad after this news, and European market started falling. Anyway, here our FIIs will keep selling. No matter what is the level, FIIs will keep selling here. And it was evident from the fact that the rupee has depreciated so much today. And I think today rupee hit a fresh all-time low, 78 rupees 40 paise for $1. I think this is the lowest level. And this is because FIIs are just selling and moving the money, funds out of India. And today once again FIIs have sold 2,900 crores. But whereas the domestic institutions, they just bought only 1,900 crore. So as and when domestic institution buying is less than FII selling, market go for a free fall. And as and when domestic institutions buy much more than what FIIs are selling, the short covering happens. So this is how the market is going up and down, up, down. And Dow future, after our market close, a little bit recovery was there, and because the US president proposing some tax cut for fuel, but then that did not last longer time and it has fallen again. So I think around 6 p.m. some data came. I think the data, every day 6 p.m. some data comes, and then the Dow future falls even more. And in US, the mortgage rate has gone up to 5.98%. The 5.98%, 1 year before it was 3.4, 3.5%. Now it has come to almost 6%, and still there are many more rate hikes are coming. So if the mortgage rate go to 7%, 8%, I really do not know how US homeowners will be able to repay their EMIs. So right now the fears are there everywhere. But one good thing is that the governments are taking note, and the US government is concerned about the inflation. So that's why they are thinking of some tax cut on fuel prices. So I think after this news, the crude prices started crashing. I think Brent crude has fallen about 5.5%, and WTI crude has fallen even more. And like global markets will be reacting negatively because there are many countries, they are oil producing countries, and whereas we are oil consuming country. So today, even though market has fallen so much, I think Hero MotoCorp and Maruti ended in green, and because of the crude fall. So when the crude falls and stocks like Reliance and ONGC will underperform, and stocks like Hero MotoCorp, Maruti will outperform. So I think tomorrow also the auto stocks may outperform, but today, although it was higher, but as a sector, auto index was also down, and in fact today all the sectors ended in red, and it's left, right and center selling all the way. So tomorrow is our expiry, and today we have to see, and although they say US President is likely to announce, and official announcements will be coming at 11:30 p.m. Indian time. So we don't know what he's going to announce and how it's going to affect the market. And if crude falls, it's good for our country in the medium term to long term. Of course, in the short term, any news is a bad news. So good news is a bad news is a very bad news now, and market going to be under pressure. So the only hope is that, like yesterday it was 300 point, today 300 point, and tomorrow it should not go up 300 point. And even if it goes up, at least morning gap up should not happen. So people have sold huge amount of call options, and I also sold a huge amount of call options. So we will see how the market opens, US markets open, US market pans out, and we will see how tomorrow our market. So this June month is going to be another bad month for the equity markets. And FIIs, and with today's selling, FIIs have already sold about 49,000 crores. So in fact, the last one and a half, I think in fact, so far only one time they have sold more than 50,000 crore in 2020, coronavirus. And after that, only the last month they have sold for 54,000 crore. I think this month is already 49,000 crore, and we still have 6 more trading sessions. So definitely this month also it's going to be 50,000 plus crore. So this FII selling is a great concern for Indian markets. So let us see whether the global sentiments turns around, what happens tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.